Chief Minister N Biren Singhana maki Facebook account thagalakpa video footage koloni na mayamna worol krakatang thamjage yamna mak thaboi sokningai oiraba pawmani Chief Minister N Biren Singhana mayamna su thudo hinona khangnarabi ise mangi natragana ima mangi haina khangnaribi ima kaithelgi women leadership laikidabada adugimatik thamoi sokpa haibadu oikhre sum aina isibu kanmadi ngamhodre adubu ishorgi khuya khad nungaina leibu oibiyu ko haiba caption galoina video footage ma thagat pirai myam yeng taminsi
Yamna penol the bus. I want the power of the Ivy. I want the power of the Nari able to hide there. I think I don't get I want the power. I want the bus. I am Tina. I want the Amnomite of Highter. Amnomite of Yamnomite. Pop and the Tahoe Graver. Nai have the Tahoe Grave. I don't know. I don't I am not only am no idea to be. Sigi COVID Inasina Lapa Horpura Barat ki Karagra younger Pamatam to Dina. You say, I don't see and my answer Lapa and Mana. They go away me to seek and minute Louis. Imagine if I had to have a things in a low you might be period to with some hands of Halloween. Maria looking period to but I can be on the media with the the man in the Lambida Laga ran pretty ran boy, Sandy, my arms and you now with the kind of see the meeting. And they must my size of the Upon the films, COVID films, I am not going to go there. Smile, smile, never had the smile or my father, the smile of the Hanakamana. They go me up if you seek a memory. I do got about him from me, my bills, and they go in a request of the day. Miami will seek and money and we loan the market. Philip, you know, I say, bring me out Maniputa. Sando was the play now. She don't let me see the fellow when you had to see the day. Now they come in the game, and they get a Aduga Yam Naiba with Sagasna. I tell the Miami Matin Panga, Miami Luna, they have Sassan for which they got. As well as Kayama, Nasan Vidaka, Compton Vidaka, Sakar City, Miami Panama, the dog will go and I told them about the board, you them but Kaikhre my way, I am going to be able to see Imasin of Vigoro, Levaki, the Mutumana, the Koki, the Levaki, the Mutumana, the Levaki, the Mutamian, the Mutumana. Although I am doing is one of my one of them, Sadra, but it was somebody in my day to do is one of them. They were singing up. But then they run about. Holy Women, I have Punamak, Punamak, Sakaka, my gay, Saruga, Zeri, why the Hider Gay, Imam Purum, Zeri, Purum. Amaramdana, Nasi, Tail Pata, Chief Minister na face-to-face coaching center launch Tokkre under the Chief Minister Civil Services Scholarship Scheme at State Academy of Training Tail Pata, Nasi launch Tokkre have a palm so
Congress. Very good morning to all of you, and I'm very proud that I'm here with you who selected in the past to join the face-to-face IS coaching class. You have been selected out of from the 1,660 contestants, and just today you only 200 here. Out of 1,667, you 200 have been selected. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you, because out of 1,667, through a proper examination, testing, and interview, you have been come up to this level. And secondly, I would like to thank my friend, Bhattacharya, coordinator for LS. Why? You know, Matthew? Why? Because I want to appreciate him. Because of him, this kind of initiative has been taken place by this report. Initially, he knocked me. He visited my office along with the Zafri, and he approached, knocking me that, sir, this kind of facility we can provide through virtual. Oh, I was very happy, and immediately we took a decision, and we started that kind of virtual, coaching class. That's why I appreciate you, sir. You stand up and just show you, 한국이 coaching 호구도, 한국이 virtual 기도 보이세. 지금 마나 나가 매튜디 코너라. 마나 나가 또 그게 이건다. 아이는 says Honorable Minister, Honorable Savagi, MP into Maharaj, the respected Chief Secretary, other dignitaries, and my dear students. You are the future of the nation, my dear friends. Just a little bit today I'm happy. I'm happy. Why? It is a long due dreams of myself. Because when I pass the PUC, we do call it PUC. I started my career from Dem College in the 2nd division. I was very much, willing to get further education in BPET. BA physical education. And the family condition. One, my eldest brother was in the SSB. And one of my brothers is, my elder brother is, he was studying in the Chandigarh for the veterinary. So I approached to my elder brothers. Tajo, I want to go for the BPET because I started as a sportsman and NCC cadet like this, no? So I approached to my brother. So will you provide me? So I want to go for the BPET course to the Amravati. The face, the reaction of my brothers, no? Till today I could not forget. Mama Maxil Lagago. As I told Siga, I am a man who veterinary get a veterinary doctor. Agriculture, and the Tharagan. I told him, Senator Mina, Hani, Dita Manningham. I manu I roy Kanamataki, just iPad. These are the beginning. These were the beginning. Then, after joining the politics, I started thinking of it. Many students comes and, complained that, sir, we want to go to Delhi. We don't have the facility to stay. We don't have the money to for the coaching. This and that, mainly for the like other problem now. But I have given a chance by God because I became the CM. Immediately, I started thinking how to do it, how to materialize what I want. Adudagi Masi Professor with Henderga Tawbadagi Araski the virtual coaching. We are very fortunate that this time one has been selected at the cell number 577.
757.
757. Yeah. Actually, LSK virtual gitu tu kami out of 6 to them. I'm very lucky that I met Matthew. The British Army brought Matthew, and Matthew, I requested him, Matthew, just we have the potential. You know, my children, my boys, my girls, they are capable. You know, in the sports, you know, in the any field, they are capable. You see in the NCC cadet, 17 were passed in the SSB examination. So I convinced him. Yes. And I am very grateful that he happily accepted, sir, I will bring all the faculties, all the qualified teachers to give coaching your student, your boys and girls here in the state. That moment was the happiest moment of my life. Money is, I repeatedly telling to the peoples, we are living in the same system. Today's system was started since 1972. Immediately after the statehood was given, then this system of elected chief minister, council of minister, chief secretary, everything is going on. But myself, I was thinking that to do something differently. Definitely why? We have to focus. Which area we have to focus? Which area we have the potential? Sports, human resource. We are not behind in the human resource. We are very high, but we do not provide adequate, space. We cannot provide you adequate space to explore yourself. Adugi potu ni koina khanar kanda. Ojek dia ina honorable minister Raja na soai. Mapam thiyo. Jagam thira kanda phara na. I thank the Rangirapalli and Hare Krishna. I know the habit. We have to do it. You find out the area and the let cooking. In search of Shiki. Yes. Shiki Jagasi, lady in Harapudi, the Shabda Londrokanda. She was a Shamakanda. No, it's a here many. She never wrong. Aduda. Was a gift with Zagal, honorable minister as in Hydro Zagal, Fajana Nana, which Travel standard, even though you computer the car labor, TV get the car labor, anything, internet get the car labor, Malaysia, fixed organ. Then Matthew has to be allowed to settle here permanently. So you should be here. Because I will relax for you, I'll be. I'll be relaxed for you, I'll be. And because, you know, kasi siya nungay habidi ay quickly noy mayam ginungay ko do dali da sa laga tamang ang sada ba ay sai pahi na siya Amerika hay bali ay na BPH si tamang ka dali na ay bero do no pilot ba gi sabi ba do tamang made ay bole pam da si wala da anyway aduna ina na pweda wakan hangano government is for you. Government is here quickly. Now, you know, you have seen in the last 4.5 years, we have got a life. What is the life, meaning of life? Yeah. Peace, peacefully, we are enjoying. Everybody is enjoying their government job, everybody is doing their business, everybody is doing their farming. We are giving avenue to explore themselves. Farmer kango the farmer ki loan piri. Entrepreneurship kango the entrepreneurship ki moida financial support piri. Mapam piri. Agriculture areas we are providing waters through MI and the agriculture department. So my mama ki lambi apam sports ki. Because now I'm going to inaugurate one, Olympian park. All these 19 Olympians statue will be there inside the buildings, and everyone who is visited from the from India or from outside the country, from domestic or outside the country, they will be getting a privilege to see, oh, Manipur is a tiny state, tiny few population, but we're achieving so much, lots of, 19 Olympians we have produced. Narangi the way, Bam Bam, from we already Canada Plan. Padam Shri. So we say, I know, idea and the hope, yes, politics, but politics are even the life. We don't have any certainty what will happen tomorrow. But till today, till the moment, we are here to do something for the nation. We are here to do something for the people of the country. We are here to do something for the people of the state. Aduna always, Matthew has already mentioned, without discipline, no one can achieve what they want. Discipline is the foundation of getting and achieving what we want. We should always have discipline in every field. No field puna makta isa sa inong sa noyo. Discipline yaw the me. Taxi kasi lay the me. May pa kung I don't know always. As I met you na I'm reminding you again. Might be anywhere. Sige coaching me the way I am man exam with house at the way any yum the way like you should maintain your discipline, your behavior, then only the society, the peoples will recognize you. And you, they will give respect to you also. And then Sigi, point Thamoi Kaikhre, we're trying to do our best. We're trying to do, provide our best to the society, to the people of the state. Just, in various schemes we have launched. The chief minister's help for all. We are providing health checkup to every household, to everywhere, all over the state, house to house. Doctor and the nurses entering house to house and checking the health condition of everyone. And we are also providing free medicine to the, the peoples who suffered any kind of illness. Sports ki deso inside ke do Olympian ki apagi Jeffrey Excellence Center of Excellence Brinda kano idana apagi shooter do mana ma howe apagi Center of Excellence Masjid Center of Excellence ke maito apagi computerized or all computerized or machinery machine as well as adagi expert mapan lagi coaching Laga, a quiggy canotion to train togo. Say, Hantamata, Aina, don't know, born behind to the Mirabai Magi Burjani, Mirabai type. Sir, if I was not, uncle, if I was not interfered by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, I could never have been achieved and get this medal hand. Kariguna and the manner. Masha other training to roll like Panasi, the muscle Thomas, the Narpo. Muscle number Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, can we on the micro level the work together? That's fine. Narangi world he got 70 points and he is becoming a top leader in the world. Say we will pride talk with him. Mana Mirabai Shigi Masana say, Mashi Kanaka lady, Kari Tony and Mani and I don't know my muscle problem. Mana Mirabai say American Harmony. Mane Aduga badminton game, one ladies. Harakanda, Zuki America, Zuki career, Haksangi, physical physiotherapy to specialty, Adugi knowledge level, doctors in a Magi Makanda, Mali muscle for you. Aduna Makanga Punga, even I go Mirabai interact over the hyben. Aduna openly I get public to in Hyzen. Aduna point micro level societies in a point of Alphabet Pukacharakadi. Micro level the way game was. Kanisari, Tangarang, I gave Facebook. I know research of you on help. What's up? I wasn't the research of voice. I said, Karim the reader. And I have you said Karim the man that I said. just because sometimes we have to spend some moment with people. I say career na man na ina. Nangi sibu asim group hagiro nangi. Kaino do ina I card lo tharo hairo re. Adama se I card semana kaino mo lulun hoki. Kapo pidege. Lulun hoki wele man. I want to tell na kaino si thari sara simbani. Magi kaino do I card mo bukan dai se. I was really shocked. Adai de ina hai taro ai sunu wai dana adai de ko nganga ma dai na he sahi ma gi hap phone daro ga listen ani ga chapter ka kaya na adai de ma ayuk ko ngase de message tare sir thank you very much ada sari de wa apoina hoji mobile ge lai se hoji ki lai ri pandemic china mar ka da ya thopu ya de ana ko mobile ye lai si live classroom yaw na bane ba adu mobile di ye laga ko thau do bi re ba du mobile lai bang am du ko gi research hapang am du yaw no mi ba no kana si no check no we should follow up akoina mobile di pi re ba mobile di pi re du mobile lai bang am device research ki se pe sare ki ba hari krishna no we have to think it ai ngang khang ni go मैं सोशल मीडिया पाइप की काना भैया मेरे काना तो बच्चों ने ये कैलेंडर से हम जाओगे तो ऐ साउंडिंग में खुम्बे आवा बनी खुम्बा मगा मशीन माने रुई आपने अदुना इन्हें मैं हमदा नोई बिदो सिक्के अपने ना कनो दी पीरे करा फोन पीरे बा इमुंग सिंसिकी मोई की बैकग्राउंड से मोई की इनकम से क्या हमने किया तो यू चेक BPL ki kang budu adu ngamdraga de koina madu ki scheme especially for academic purpose adum dang do bidu de ba nungai ngara de khang ba hore misi aduna yam nungai re school college hangani na si ngara ai approval pi karni class 9 ba bagi angang macha sing de hangi kum si ngang sing de khang da bari na masi su yo covid ne ni hai kano gi bazar gi iman shi ra na pagko ma gi ko dai te na ta wa ado ko so na hairam dra covid 19 hairam dra aduna mashishu ko ki na covid shishu ko ki ato do ya da na class 9 and above the class hangage provided ko ki SOP present maintain do ka marks ko distancing ko mai do ko no me lastly I yam ngai ai ko ki noina mapana sotna ga khola ga noina thenna ba wa ma ya mo city state da dai romina Matthew just telling me don't allow him to back let him stay here and really Matthew really I'm really happy and grateful to you because you have accepted to come down here and to bring down here all the faculties and teachers to provide this type of accommodation facility to my peoples, mainly the younger generation of the state. They are the future of our nation. They are the future of our state. We have to take care of them. Adonai masi wapung kaje tamaga. Wish you all the best, and let us meet after passing the IS exam. Huh? Okay. Thank you.